Today, I'm here to talk to you about some brand new headphones we've been waiting for a very long time. Ones that can easily connect to absolutely any device, whether it's a tablet, a smartphone, a mid range, or even a low end device. Basically, whatever you happen to have. These are the Black Shark Roka 5, which are fully dedicated gaming headphones. Even though the sound is really strong, by the way, for this price range, I think these have made it into the top tier of the most exquisite headphones for gaming, even for games like Free Fire or Fortnite at the very least. Big thanks to my friends at Phones de Guatemala for sending these to me, and to you as always for tuning into this channel. Subscribe, it's free. And look, here they are. These are the Rocka 5, which I really like, especially for their battery performance and style. Look, I'm gonna stand up right now, literally, when you're walking around, you feel like you're an Avenger or something. Yeah, and they can also light up with LED lights. Look, there you can see the LED lights shining. But let's get a closer look at them. This is what the box looks like. The folks at Phone sent me two colors, but the one I'm going to show you is this one. Look, I'm going to zoom in so you can see it up close. And there you go. Here they are. This is what the box looks like. And it's really nice, really shiny. And over here, for example, we have a variety of impressive features like the premium metal construction, dynamic drivers, RGB lights with effects, and the ultra low latency, which is really, really low. And the device is 2.4 gigahertz and it features dual connectivity, while the technology is Bluetooth 6.0, providing an instant connection. That means you can connect it via Bluetooth and also with the station, and it's multi-device when it comes to compatibility. All right, the ones I have here are black. Look, it's like a spaceship, literally. And right here in this part, you're gonna attach the strap that comes inside the box. Here it comes with its USB Type-C cable, so you can charge it anywhere with any type of charger. You definitely need to learn how to use the user manual because there are some steps here. You can double click to pause or play your music or to answer an incoming call. We also have tapping 4 times for gaming mode or music mode. That is when you are in Bluetooth mode. And triple tap lets you call the assistant. 6 taps for factory reset. That is when you want to sell it or simply connect it to another mobile device. Simply press and hold the button for 2 seconds to go to the previous track or skip to the next song. And that's it. And that is exactly how the name will appear on your Bluetooth device. What else does it come with? Interchangeable ear pads. It comes with this strap, which in my case is black, but since I'm using the white one, I'll show you right now. Look, here it is. What's your favorite color? Tell me in the comments section. Both of them light up. Well, just so you can see it clearly, this is how it looks. You turn it over here, but to make it light up, you always push it down and that's it. We'll have light. Or when it's hanging, that's exactly when it'll start lighting up too, because it detects movement. When you're not going to use them anymore, please close it. Look, this is what the headphones are like. Since they have cushions, the bass is amazing. There's an R on one side and an L on the other. And that's it. The 4G station, as we can all see, is designed to be quite a bit longer because some devices have an exceptionally thick and bulky case, and it is also incredibly useful and convenient for connecting it to a tablet. I've already tried it, literally, on a tablet. Wait, don't go yet because I'm going to show you one of its features. And look, if I plug it in here, there's this space so that if the protective case is a bit thick, it still gives me a chance to connect it. All right, let's go ahead and get these devices connected together right now so I can show you another one of their great features. And these headphones are actually quite impressive and feature rich. Okay, let's put on a headphone very quickly and let's see if we can do it right here. All right, I've got them on now. Look, a really important detail is that right now it's working with this device. And if we notice, here I can tap, and the sound I really like is this one, Dolby Atmos, right? I like it more because it sounds really loud. And with the equalizer, we can also adjust everything, and I really like that. It works well for listening to this kind of music. It has, for example, what it comes with, I can take them off. Honestly, it doesn't work by holding a sensor. No, they don't have a sensor to pause the music when you take them off. Unfortunately, no, right? And that's it. And right now, they're working like this with these, right? So from there, I can adjust the sound however I want. So the next thing is I've already disconnected it from here, and now they're connected via Bluetooth, but to these specifically. And here, I'm gonna show you how you can set up the rest. Look, Den. All right, let's go here. Here in Bluetooth, they're connected to these, and the technology they use is AAC, folks. The audio is AAC. That's the technology these have built in. And if we go to the section about, because you're definitely going to ask me, it's called Black Shark Arsenal. That's the app. I've got it here. Let's see if I can pull it up. Arsenal. Here it is. And here, there's no compatibility with the headphones. I hope there will be in the future. But still, the manual doesn't say there's compatibility, so there isn't any. And if you're gonna ask me, okay, the sound, because it's cushion technology, sounds amazing when it comes to bass. It sounds really good. Battery performance will depend on you, but just so you know, it does have low latency thanks to Bluetooth technology. However, what I would personally recommend, if you're going to use them with Free Fire, for example, or PUBG Mobile, I'd always prefer to use them with this, the bass, which is the 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection. That way, you'll have virtually no lag or latency whatsoever. And with that, you'll be able to play any game like FIFA Mobile, eFootball, or Asphalt. But how about we do a test right now? Because I tried them out on a tablet and also on a mobile device. Up next, let's listen together because I took off my microphone, this one right here, put an earbud in, and started playing. Let's get to that test.
Así es
This is
como
how it
funciona
works with
con
the
la
station,
estación,
specifically
justamente
this one,
esta que
which
es
is a
un
dongle.
dongle, mira,
Look,
se
you just
conecta.
plug it in.
Ahorita la estoy
Right
utilizando
now,
en
I'm
una
using them on a Ruin
Rookie
Pad
Pad
Pro.
Pro.
This
Esta
is
es
a
una gama
low-end
baja
device with a
con un
Unisoc
procesador Unisoc
T7250 processor.
T7250 y mira
Just
cómo
take a look
corre
at how
muy
smoothly it
bien.
runs.
No importa
It
si
really
se lo
doesn't
vas a
even matter
poner
if
a
you
un
use it
dispositivo
on a
móvil,
mid-range
que
or
sea
more
gama media,
budget-friendly
gama
mobile
baja.
device.
Ahí está
There,
escondidito
the enemy
el
is hiding.
enemigo. Yo
Literally,
literal
I have
tengo
one
un
right
audífono
earbud in my
puesto
ear,
en el oído
and the other
y
one
el
is
otro
hanging down here by my
justamente está
chest.
en la parte
And
de
with the
abajo
built-in microphone,
y con el
it's
micrófono
recording and
está
picking up my
pues
voice.
grabando. Al
At
principio no
first, it
estaba
wasn't
grabando
recording
prácticamente
pretty much
nada,
anything,
pero
but
después
then
me
I
di
realized
cuenta y
that
así
that's
es
how
como
it works.
funciona. Mira,
Look at that headshot.
que
It was
headshot
almost
prácticamente no se
impossible to get him.
dejaba. Pero
But
así es como
that's how it works.
funciona y
And
sí,
yeah, I
me
really
gustó
like the
bastante el
performance of these
performance que
earbuds.
tiene estos audífonos.
The low
La
latency
baja
is really
latencia está
good.
muy buena.
Also
Para
great for
música
music.
también,
I
estaba
was listening to
escuchando
a
una
long
playlist
playlist of some
de
classic old English
música en
music
inglés
earlier today,
antiguo y
and I
sí me
found
gustó
that I really
bastante.
liked it quite a bit.
Considero que
I
hay
think
veces
sometimes they kind
que
of,
como que
well,
se
to be honest, I actually
Yo
had to
tuve que
change out the
cambiar las
silicone ear
almohadillas
tips because the
porque no
default ones that
quedaban
came in the
justas
box
en mi
didn't really
oído,
fit
o
my
sea, las
ears
que vienen por
properly or
default
provide a
o por
good seal.
defecto. Tuve
I
que
had
abrir
to
la caja
carefully
y
open up the
seleccionar una
packaging and
almohadilla que
select the
fuera
specific
ajustable a mi
size of
oído
ear tip that
y ahí
fit
sí
my
quedó
ear,
muy bien.
and then it fit
También
perfectly.
lo probé en el Call
I
of
also
Duty
tried it with
y
Call of
funcionó
Duty, and
perfectamente.
it performed
Es decir, como que
absolutely
si tuviéramos
flawlessly without
un
any
cable
issues.
conectado
It's honestly
directamente
like having
a
a
la
cable
parte de
connected
los
directly to the
audífonos.
headphones.
Podría
I
decir
could
que
say
si
that
tú
if you use a
utilizas un
controller, right,
mobilador,
it
¿sí?
could also work
También
because
podría
it's
funcionar
completely plug and
debido a
play
que es
right out of
plug
the
and
box.
play. Y
And
como
like
dije
I
al
said at the
principio,
beginning,
también
it can
puede
also work.
funcionar. Yo
I
lo
actually
probé
tried it on a
en
high-end
una
computer setup
laptop
that's
que es
from
de
Apple, you know. To be honest,
iPhone,
it's a
pues.
powerful
O sea,
Mac Studio
es
desktop
una
machine,
Mac
and
Studio
it
y
worked
funcionó
absolutely perfectly.
perfectamente. No
I
tengo
don't
una
have a
Windows para
Windows to test
probarlo,
it
pero
on, but it's
definitivamente es plug
definitely
and
plug
play
and play,
y sí
and
va a
it'll work.
funcionar. Y
And I
puedo
can tell
decirte que
you
sí
that it
funciona.
does work.
Y
And I
también lo
also
probé
tried it
en
on
un
a
Nintendo
Nintendo
Switch que tengo
Switch
por
I have
acá
here,
y
and it
también
worked too.
funcionó.
It
Detectó que
detected
había
that there
pues
were,
unos
well,
audífonos
some
conectados
headphones
y de
connected,
esa
and
manera
that way it could
podría
work.
funcionar.
Uh-huh.
Ajá. Pero
Well,
¿qué
what would happen,
pasaría,
for
por
example,
ejemplo, si
if
yo
I only use
utilizo solo el
Bluetooth in
Bluetooth en modo
gaming mode?
gaming? Sí,
This setup would
funcionaría,
definitely work quite
pero
well, but
solamente en
only in
juegos
popular
como
titles such as
Fortnite,
Fortnite, Call
Call
of
of
Duty,
Duty,
and It would also work in
también
Blue Strike.
pasaría en el
On
Blue
the other
Strike.
hand,
Sin
you would
embargo,
likely
no
encounter some issues and
posiblemente
probably wouldn't be able to play
podrías
PUBG
jugar
Mobile or
PUBG
Free
Mobile
Fire,
ni Free Fire,
nor would it be
ni
suitable
tampoco
for
Genshin
Genshin Impact.
Impact,
I also
tampoco
couldn't tell you
te
about
podría decir
another
otro
pretty
juego
well-known
bastante
game, which
reconocido que
is
es el NTE,
NTE,
Wuthering
Wuthering
Waves
Waves,
o
or
Human,
Human.
¿cómo se
What's it
llama
called?
esto? Humans,
Humans.
algo así
That's
se
what the other
llama,
game is
el
called.
otro
Something
juego.
like that.
Quizás no
Maybe it
correría,
wouldn't run.
o también
Or
League of
also League of
Legends.
Legends.
Entonces, por esa
So
razón
for
te
that reason,
recomiendo que
I
utilices
recommend you
la
use the
estación, el
station,
dongo.
the
Yo lo estoy
dongle.
utilizando
I'm
ahorita
using it right
y
now,
ahora estoy
and now
utilizando
I'm
el
using the
color
black
negro.
one.
De
They
igual
work
forma
very well
funciona
either
muy
way.
bien.
The
La
low
baja
latency is pretty
latencia es
much
bastante
non-existent.
nula. Probándolo
Testing
en
it out on
este
this Fortnite.
Fortnite. Mira,
Look, now
ahora
I'm
estoy
playing on
jugando en
high
gama
settings,
alta,
but
pues,
at
pero al
first I
principio
was
estaba
playing on
jugando
low
en gama
settings.
baja. Es
I
decir,
mean, I can
lo
just
puedo
connect
conectar a
it
un
to an
Apple
Apple device
y
and that's
listo,
it,
ya
done.
está. Igual
Still,
no
it doesn't
tiene
have a way
para
to
poder
connect it,
conectarlo, como dije
like
al
I said at the
principio, a
beginning, to an
una
app.
aplicación.
And
Y
that's
hasta
where we'll
aquí
leave
nos
it
vamos
for now.
viendo. Espérate
Wait,
que,
look,
mira, esto
this
es
is
épico.
epic. Let's go.
Vámonos.
All right, we're back with the test. And like I always say, how did they perform? Well, great. In my opinion, I've been playing Call of Duty with them. I played Free Fire, and it doesn't matter if your device is mid-range, low-end, high-end, iPhone. These work on any kind of device. You just take off the base, plug it in, and that's it. Read the manual, and you'll learn how to use the gestures. They can be functional. Many thanks to our friends at Phones. The price is right here. They're relatively cheap. Yes, affordable, and with excellent performance when it comes to gameplay. You can even connect it to a PC, literally, or to a Nintendo too. They're compatible anywhere. It's plug and play, and that's it. That's it. See you in the next video. Many thanks to our friends at Phones. And that's it. It has two modes, Bluetooth and with the dock. Problem solved. It's just that Free Fire doesn't work. No, my friend, this has already moved to another level.